Ceacht dachid a ceathair, and chud ella de, the rest of it. The rest of it. And chud, the portion, ella, other, de, of it. On the third page, they give you a lot of the details that I've already given you for review. They give you things to practice. And then they say that certain adjectives, you use ga before them when they're in a ta sentence. So, and these are usually feelings or opinions. Gebra, gehulk, there's the H after ga before a vowel. Gedana, gema, gejas, gehuntach, gehauling, geheaving, all opinions of how nice or bad something is. So that's what that page is about. There's lots of things to practice. Do all your exercises. And then we get to the personal numbers, Nahivrika Parsanta. So, Dinawan, Ein Arawan, one man, Bart Ar. Notice that puts a lenition. Now, you can also just use these by themselves. Bart means two people. Tror, with an R at the end, Tror is three people. Tror Far, which means three men. Notice they also take what looks like the singular, although some people would say it's the genitive plural. But anyway, Kafrer, Kuiger, they all end in R. Shesher, Shachter, Achter, Leaner, Jehnur. And then you get into higher numbers. Ein Ar Jeg, so that's 11 men. And then there's Doreg, 12. Doreg. Doreg agus pibre, if you want to say there's 12 and a piper, the meaning there's a whole bunch of people. That's a cute phrase. Then you're counting more or less like things after that. So tri ar jeg, keter ar jeg, and so forth. Okay? And that's pretty much the ordinal numbers. You can sometimes use the regular counting numbers, but it's better with people to use the people numbers, the personal numbers. And you can use them, like I said, by themselves. And they say they take the singular noun here. Okay? Bart aspirates, or causes lenition, that is. And then you get some more things to practice. And at that point, you will have mastered chapter 44. Have fun. Practice those numbers.